Hey everybody, the Escalade will no longer be the pinnacle of Cadillac's lineup. The role of the flagship goes to an even more prestigious and status passenger car model. This is the Cadillac Celestiq electric car, and it is no longer a concept, but a production version. Cadillac wants to go back to the days when the company could call itself a world standard, a leader, without being ridiculed. At least that's the plan for the upcoming Celestiq, an extravagant electric car that will be hand-assembled and cost more than $300,000. That price makes it out of reach for all but the wealthiest people. But Cadillac considers the Celestiq more desirable than attainable. Cadillac, which for years has been in the shadow of European premium brands, is introducing its new electric flagship, the Celestiq sedan. This model announces itself as more than just a new car. Let's take a look at what makes the Celestiq so special. The Cadillac Celestiq is a liftback well over 5 meters or 17 feet long. The luggage compartment is combined with the passenger compartment and is accessed through a lift-up rear window. Designers said they drew inspiration from the classic Cadillac V16, models of the 30s, and the 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham, which were the most prestigious models in their day. Some elements may have been taken from the classics, but the look of the flagship shows the same solutions as the production Cadillac Lyriq crossover, including the unusual shape of the rear lights. The Celestiq, like the new Lyriq electric SUV, carries Cadillac's family design traits. The vehicle's interior is dominated by brightly colored leather, a 55-inch digital dashboard, and Eames-inspired seating. Each Celestiq will be hand-assembled by a small team of craftsmen, and customers will be able to customize their car when ordering, similar to the scheme at Rolls-Royce. The Celestiq will enter production as an all-new model for Cadillac's 2024 lineup, but don't expect to see this masterpiece on dealer lots. The Celestiq will be ordered individually, according to each customer's specifications. The price of the Cadillac Celestiq is expected to start at around $340,000. Production of the Celestiq will be limited due to hand assembly, and Cadillac says the customization possibilities are nearly endless. The Celestiq will be powered by a twin-motor electric all-wheel drive system with about 600 horsepower. Cadillac claims that's enough to accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. The interior of the Celestiq is a high-tech specimen with 4 individual seats and an electrochromic glass roof. The interior utilizes premium materials including soft leather and eco-friendly wood. The Celestiq is also styled as a hatchback, which is unusual for traditional sedans. The Celestiq is equipped with a huge 55-inch display, and rear-row passengers can enjoy their own 12.6-inch screens. The car is equipped with a 38-inch AKG Studio reference stereo system. All Celestiq models will be equipped with a host of driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking and Ultra Cruise for robotic control. Like the entire Cadillac lineup, the Celestiq will come with a powertrain warranty that exceeds similar offerings of other luxury sedans. The battery warranty is expected to be similar to the Chevy Bolt, 8 years or 100,000 miles. The Cadillac Celestiq promises to be a new milestone in the history of the American auto industry, changing perceptions of luxury and technology.